If your oven door is not closing properly, the first thing to check is that the door release clips are in the correct position. For a down-opening single oven like this, you'll need to lift up the tabs to lock them. Or for a double oven, you'll need to push down on the tabs. These clips allow you to remove the door for cleaning, but must be in the lock position for the oven to close and operate correctly. If you've removed the door and a hinge has locked shut, loop a soft cloth or tea towel around the hinge and pull it out before locking the clip back into the open position. However, the hinges are under a lot of tension, so please wear safety gloves and only attempt this if you feel confident and comfortable. You can then slide the door back onto the hinges. Ensure it is correctly back in position before locking the clips. If you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.